Also, I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. So which means that she wears sunglasses. I'm going to use a magic just like this. Hello Numberblock fans, in today's video we're going to explore on Numberblock 131 to 140. So the first character is 131. 131 I build into first 100 blocks into 10 by 10 square to make 100. And then we build 30 light yellow blocks overall at the top to make 130. And then we add one red block at the top and at the corner. Why do I build like this? 131 is a prime number, 32nd member of the prime club, which should have rectangle eyes just like 32. Okay, and this is our number block 131. Also, I think I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face, rectangular eyes but prime number. Not a super rectangle, and we attach the numbering, so this is our number block 131. The next character is 132. 132, I build first 100 red tone blocks into 10 by 10 square, and then I build 20 light yellow blocks at the top to make 120, and 10 light yellow blocks more I build at the side to make 130. And 2 orange blocks left over I build at the side, at the corner, and at the top, which means that 130 plus 2 equals 132, which means that we got 12 blocks tall and 11 blocks wide, which means 132 is made out of 12 lots of 11s or 11 lots of 12s, which has the eyes bigger than each other, so that's out 132. Also, I'm going to use a magic to see its face just like this. Here's the face. And then we pop the numbering onto it to make number block 132. So here's 132. The next character is 133. I build 133 into 7 by 19 rectangle formation. According to number block 19 times table, 133 could split into 7 lots of 19s. Also, number block 133 is a crazy shape because it could also split into 19 lots of 7 lots of 19s and has rainbow eyebrows because 19 lots of 7s. So lucky and wacky shape. So that's all 133. I'm going to use a magic to see its face just like this. Here's the face. Now we pop the numbering onto the number block 133's head. And there, we pop just like this, so we got 133. The next character is 134. I build the same as 133, but it has 1 block left over because number block 133 plus 1 block left over is 134. 134 has another factors, which is 2 lots of 6 7s. Just kidding. Number block 67 is the 19th member of the prime club, which has crazy shaped eyes. And going to use a magic to see its face just like this. 134 wears sunglasses plus 2 lots of 6 7s. And 6 7 thinks that it's cool, but I'm not sure too. And we pop the numbering, and that's our 134. The next character is 135. According to number block 15 times table, 135 could also split into 9 lots of 15s. Yeah, and number block 135 wear crowns to represent. She could also split into 45 lots of 3s. Okay, we build just like this, and that's our 135. Also, I'm going to use a magic to see its face just like this. 135 face. We need our numbering. We pop onto her head, and that's our 135. The next character is 136. 136 I build into 8 by 17 rectangle formation. According to number block 17 times table, 136 splits into 8 lots of 17s. Number block 136 also a step shape, which sum up from 1 to 16. So this is our number block 136. Also, I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. Here's a number block 136 face. And we pop the numbering, and that's our number block 136. The next character is 137. This time, I built just like 131, all of them. Why? Because 137 is the prime number, which could divide it by itself and the ones. Well, 137 is the 33rd member of the prime club, which means that should be a football player. But why don't I put the football player? Because if we put football player, it spams too much. So that's why I put not a football player sign and the gold miner, just like 79, Yeah. And now we got our number block 137. But 137 wears crown to represent 3 lots of 11s. Well, 33 Well, 3 lots of 11s are 33. And 33 is the 33rd member of the prime club for number block 137, which means should wear crowns. Okay, here's the 137. Going to use some magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face. Now we need our numbering, and this is our number block 137. The next character is 138. We build just like before. Why don't I build another rectangle? Because 6 lots of 23s, which means that we build 6 by 23. It's too tall. So that's why I built just like the others. Okay. Well, number block 6 lots of 23s also splits into 3 lots of 69. 2 lots of 69s. Sorry, guys. Well, 69 I made from the scratch wears the sunglasses. So which means that she wears sunglasses. I'm going to use some magic just like this. See? And has a 69 shaped eye to represent 2 lots of 69s. And attach the numbering for... Sorry guys. We need to attach the numbering, so we got our number block 138. The next character is 139. I built just like these two numbers, because 139 is also the prime number, 34th member of the prime club. Which means that number block 139 loves to paint. Just like 17 and 34. Well, 139 loves to paint and wears the painter's hat. Looks like a French, because he looks like a French person, because 34 before the number block 34 become an official number block in the Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes toys. Number block 34 fanmate wears the glasses, like the French glasses. Anyways, we built just like this. Now we got 139. Use the magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face, which has paint splats. And put the numbering onto it, so that's our 139. So the last character is 140. We build 140 into 10 by 14 rectangle formation. According to Numberblock 14 times table, number 140 splits into 10 lots of 14s. Now we build just like this. So we got our number block 140. Use the magic to see the last space just like this. Now we need to attach the numbering to make 140. So this is our last character, 140. Also, today's video is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, so see you the next time, friends. Bye bye.